This is a meditation for opening and healing your heart. It was recommended to me by a spiritual practitioner after I was grieving the loss of my father, who died suddenly in 2018. It was very much a shock. I felt like my heart was broken. And this really helped me to get in touch with the pain I was feeling, but also to heal it. Because we really have to look at it, we have to feel it before we can move into the healing stage. So join me, and I invite you to turn within and close the eyes if that is comfortable. Just noticing your breath as it goes in and out, and in and out. Just focusing on your breath for a few more breaths in silence. And I invite you to bring your focus to your heart area, your chest, just presencing your beautiful heart. Middle of your chest, slightly to the left. This heart that gives you life. That is working every minute, every second. Just feeling your heart center with love. Imagine a wall around your heart. Notice what the wall is made out of. Maybe it's stone or wood, whatever it might be. Just notice this wall around your heart. We often protect our hearts after we've been hurt. And there is a time for protection and going within, and there is a time for opening. So just noticing, looking at this wall, what it looks like, its colors, and just notice. Now I invite you to imagine waves of the ocean just crashing into this wall, like the sea crashing into a sandcastle. And notice as the wall gets smaller around your heart. Notice if it's stubborn and taking some time, or if it's just easily washing away, or anywhere in between. And just sit in silence with this image. The waves just crashing over the wall, and it erodes more and more. The waves continue until the wall is completely down, almost down. And if it's not completely down, don't beat yourself up. You're a human. But you should be able to see your heart now. Notice its light. Notice the love that exists within your heart for yourself, for others, for humanity. And imagine a beautiful green hue just emanating from your heart, like a chakra disc, just spinning, emitting this beautiful green light. And now imagine a purifying golden light just washing over your heart space. Maybe it looks like liquid light to you. Maybe it's like a mist. However it looks for you, just let that golden light permeate your heart. Healing it, loving it, supporting it. Just notice the light, this universal healing light, just permeating this entire area of your body, your entire chest. Knowing that this light is healing you, is loving you, is just wanting the best for you. And if you feel like you need more golden light experience, you can pause the video and just sit with this light. Just swirling and healing and cleansing and opening. From this place of stillness, this place of healing and opening, ask your heart what it needs. What does my heart need? And sit with that question with a focus on your heart. Just listening if there's anything else your heart would like to tell you, would like you to know, would like you to do. And if downloads are still coming to you, feel free to pause the video. But if you have your message, Just make a mental note. Thank your beautiful heart for all it does for you. Send it some love and let it know that you want it to heal and you want it to be happy. Send appreciation for the life that it gives you, for the feelings of love that it feels for yourself, for your loved ones, maybe even for the strangers you meet on the street. Now I just invite you to envision a white light just surrounding you and sealing in this practice. Again, this light just loving you up. Now prepare yourself to come back to the room, just listening for any noises you hear, any sounds, noticing any bodily sensations within yourself, any feelings, any emotions. And when you're ready, opening your eyes, just maybe looking around the room, coming back to your space. And just another thank you to yourself for committing to this practice, to be kind to yourself, to heal yourself, and to open yourself up to more love. And that's what I want for you. More love, more light. Namaste.